Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to this demo of Sync Mate M365. So this app is built as a part of Microsoft Hack Together Microsoft .NET and Graph .NET SDK and Graph. What we have built here is a typical use case of a challenge which basically many of the Microsoft 365 consultant who would have a multiple Outlook or calendar accounts for their clients for the different organization. It becomes difficult for them to basically do the calendar management because each account would have its own calendar. So what this app would do is it would allow you to basically uh, sync all the calendars. Okay, so once you connect all your accounts with once you map all your account and once you log in all your account, what it will do is as soon as a new event would be created in any one of the calendar, it will create some dummy events in all the other connected accounts. Okay, it also has a capability to sync the updated timings, or it also has a capability to remove the dummy events as soon as a event has been removed from the main calendar. So this is the capability. So this is the homepage. You would see some technical notes, and we also extend it. We wanted to also extend it to different other scenarios in future. These are some technical notes, and that is how the app is built. Okay, in the so this account already has three accounts connected, which we have already done before we start the demo. And if you see, there are three accounts which are connected here. Admin, Siddharth, and Siddharth at binary nodes. What I'll do now is I'll add another account to this account, and we will see the syncing works. So we have to add an account. I'll choose. So now you see these four accounts are connected. Okay, so that is how the new account is connected. Okay. So next thing we will do is what we will do is we'll demonstrate how the syncing works. Okay. Now to demonstrate, what I'll do is I'll send a meeting request to one of the account, which is tadmin at the rate Microsoft account. So let's create an event. We'll name it a test demo meeting. I'll invite it to this user, the user which is connected, and I'll put a time here, probably around 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I'll send a meeting request. Okay. Now, as soon as this meeting request is been sent from this different account, which is a consider a normal user in your organization. Uh, First thing is we can go in the calendar view and see that uh, the new meeting would be available with that color code for tadmin, right? Now we also need to make sure that this particular event is synced in all the other three accounts. So let's start with my PRS.org account. So if we look at the calendar for my PRS.org account in a new window, so I'll just open a new window. Right. So what the app is supposed to do, it created a meeting here. If you see 4 p.m. not available, okay, and this is the meeting which is it has automatically created because of the syncing process which we did. Right. So same way for binary roots account. If we go to binary roots account calendar, let me go here. So this is okay. This is my PRS.org. This is binary roots account calendar. And if you saw here also, it has created a meeting with not available so that your time is booked, right? And similar way for Kun's account also, it should create a new meeting request. So let me open the Kun's calendar. So if we go here, this is Kun's Hangani calendar, and here also it has created not available. Okay. Now let's try a different thing. What we will do is now from the main account where we have sent the meeting request, let's go and update the meeting request. So for example, from 4 to uh, I had sent it to the Bruce Wayne account between 4 to 5. Now I'll change it from 5:30 or say 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Okay, and I'll send the meeting update request. Now, with this, what would happen is the updated time has changed here, and similar way, once we would go to the synced account like binary routes, you can see that the time has updated to 7 p.m. Right? Similar way for the other accounts like myprs.org also, you should see that the time for not available meeting has changed to 7 p.m. And the third account being Kunj account. In Kunj account also, you can see that time has changed to not available. So this is how it is basically syncing the things across the tenant. Okay. Now, it will also remove it automatically. So for example, now consider that you as in user who has sent the meeting request would basically go and sorry about my mouse. Okay. So yeah, one thing another which I want to highlight here is that what we are doing is we are skipping to display the not available meetings in this calendar view. So anything which says not available, it means it is the event which we have created as a part of Sync Mate 665 meeting syncing. So we are not showing it here so that you don't see not available meeting here, and you only see the actual meeting. So you don't see the dummy meeting. So this calendar overlay basically is giving you that capability. Okay. Plus, if you click on any particular meeting, by default it will show you the meeting subject, when it was started, when it is ended, and you can also directly join it from here. Then there is week view. Then there is day view. So we are using full calendar to basically get all kind of full calendar functionality here. You can also see the list view. Okay, so this is there. So now let's try to basically uh, remove the account, remove the meeting request basically. So I'm going to again to the original organizer of the meeting, and I'm going to just say cancel the meeting, right? So once the meeting is cancelled from here, in the original account there should we should cancel the meeting, we should accept the cancellation, right? And as soon as that is done, then only the meeting would be removed. So I'm sending the cancellation request from the organization, which will go to Bruce Wayne. So you send it the cancellation request. Now let us log into that particular Bruce Wayne account, which is this account. And what you got a meeting request which is cancelled, right? So what you have to do, what generally we would do, right? We would remove that from our event. So as soon as you will remove that event from here, and then we will go to the binary roots account. As soon as the syncing would be done, we should be able to see that this particular meeting request will be removed. So it will take a couple of seconds probably before it is getting removed. Yes, you see, it has been removed from binary roots. Same way, let's go and check it for the other accounts. So this is the Kunz account. From here also the meeting has been removed. And from my PRS.org account, if you come to my PRS.org account, from here also the meeting has been removed. So that is how it is basically able to handle create, update, and remove all the three functionalities wherein the dummy image would be created. But as soon as in the main calendar, if it has been there is any update in that particular event, it will go and also sync it there.